eggs. Half a scoop Nutrilite protein powder. ml milk or 50 or 75 ml, depending on their sweetness. Salt for taste. And whisk this so that there should not be lumps inside. Okay, so drink, I just took one pear, one banana, 100 ml milk again, or 150 ml, depends on thickness, 1 scoop protein powder, okay, and for taste chocolate powder. So I prefer to use poultry mix, that is chocolate flavor. It comes in strawberry flavor and vanilla flavor also. Okay, if you want more chocolate again, then you can put some chocolate inside.
So this is a Nutrilite product, yeah?
Yes, it's Nutrilite.
लस्सी
Okay, I will prepare one more time with different flavor. This is chocolate flavor. I will prepare strawberry flavor.
क्या हमारी क्या ड्यूटी है खिलाना है क्या email में गया था train and the new part-time somebody else food and charity
मेरा प्रोजेक्ट
Okay, in between you can just mix that. Okay. Ice. For strawberry flavor, you can mix this strawberry. I have this chocolate one, so I will use some strawberry for strawberry flavor. 1 scoop protein powder again. So this is ready. And for taste you can use some black pepper, and for decoration you can use some green leaves, and if you want some sugar, I do not use sugar for drink. I have not added sugar inside, but you can use sugar if you want to use. Okay, so this is breakfast. I'm talking about the lifestyle balance solution, which is weight management solution. So midday snacks, I mixed all the cereals, fruits and fibers, fruits, fibers, and oats, and different cereals. Okay, so I like to mix all these things. Again, why I'm using protein? Because it's good for diet, and we need in body. Half or one, depend upon your requirement. And you can mix with orange juice, fresh juice also, if you don't like dairy or milk. This is fully skimmed milk, no fat inside. Either you can add some fruit juice or fresh fruits inside, and you can mix with that. So this is your midday snacks, okay, with one fruit, one portion of fruit. Okay, for lunch, again, one meal you have to, if you are on weight management solution, if you are not on weight management solution, that's fine. You have to use this one with 200 ml of milk. Or 100 ml, or if you don't like milk, then you can mix with the water also. This is complete meal. It has all the vitamins and proteins and fat and vitamins, minerals, everything. Okay, so you do not have to worry about complete diets. It has full complete diet. Shake it for 30 seconds. If you want to use a thick, leave it for 3 minutes, then it will be thick. Strawberry. I didn't use the powder, so there is a strawberry.
Fresh ones.
Yeah. Just pass it. So my everything is ready. Okay. So in evening snacks you can have fruits and vegetables with the protein bar. Okay, and dinner is that side. Okay, for testing I will be preparing more, so you can have a taste. So I'm going to prepare more. I have some juice. You can start with
but who
drinking.
sits beside, he does not get it fast.
Same.
He's standing.
Yeah, your left side.
See, दादा आपके पास ही पहले आ गए थे.
You can start with the
दादा glass
tasting.
दे दो आपको.
Dada is sitting there on purpose, yeah?
अरे दादा.
Purpose, yes.
Okay, so give a big round of applause for Rajiv. So our master chef will be available for any questions. You can ask his tips and questions, and he's preparing for the contest which Amway is going to host. So you know they want to have the recipes, and they're going to award the recipe, good recipe, best recipe. So you know he's preparing for that competition.
Wow.
Including Rajiv and Sangeeta as well. That is going to come.
So are you planning to share this recipe to everybody?
Yes, recipe is there and in front of everything. And if you want, I can email to you.
Yeah.
Rajiv will email it to me earlier.
And all the recipe will be available on the Facebook page also.
दादा को पहले तो उसका बात तो इसको खाना है, हम वेज ही
이제 내가 주로
ये बीवाई तो खेते के तो उपस तो ना